Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mike from Trade the Fifth Wave. It is Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. It is 7:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's time for today's quick hit. So if you don't know, I do a video every morning. It's called Coffee and Stocks. It's about an hour's worth of some of the best and brightest of what I'm watching, what I'm trading, and so on, using what is known as the Elliott wave theory, which is what these numbers and this what I call the stoplight green, yellow, red thing here are portraying. That's the Elliott wave theory, and a concept called Fibonacci. So if you don't know who Ralph Elliott or Leonardo Fibonacci is, this is not now the time to explain it, but it is the most accurate way to predict stock movement I have ever seen in my life. So I am going to talk about a stock right here. First of all, if you're interested in having my coffee and stock video in the I email it out every day. Then later on in the day, or maybe even the next day, I make yesterday's coffee and stock public. But if you're interested in having that or being in the live Discord group, there is a link in the description to Fiverr. Fiverr is a middleman organization where if you go in and you say, okay, I want to try this guy's gig, which is what they call it, but I don't know, I don't trust him or anything like that. And what they do is they hold the money until such time you are satisfied that I am who I say I am and I am doing what I say I'm going to do. And then you go, okay, release the money, and they release it. So protects you, it protects me, it protects everybody involved. Uh, if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and click the link below. You can always subscribe and like the channel, and I appreciate that for those that have. If you would share the video, that sure helped too. And if you feel like this is something you're getting in, Elliott Wave and how it works is something of value to you, please by all means go ahead and subscribe. So, all that said, let's talk about today. This is something we just pulled off the volume scanner. It is WORX, and it has made a quick little wave one high, wave two low, wave three high, wave four pullback. Now, is the wave four pullback over? I don't know if it is or not. This is on the 30-minute chart you're looking here, which is how I like to do things. It has played this out all night. It's at a wave 4 low. It's not quite to the 50 variable moving average, which is that yellow line, which is kind of the line I like to see hit on the 30-minute, but it's getting close. Uh, it could turn around and run from here pretty easy. It might fall a little bit more. The RSI just crossed over on the MACD of as overbought, so it may come down just a little bit deeper. Uh, but once it does turn it around, let's assume it stays right here. I mean, however you're going to play this, you're going to look for, well, if you're smart, you're going to look for a bottom. Uh, so it just, as we were sitting there talking, put up another candle. So this is the uh, 1 minute chart on this, and it's playing out an Elliott wave in the downtrend, as you can see here. See how this is upside, the stoplight's upside down. So it's got a target of around 164 on the 1 minute. If we look at the 5 minute that is played out, it's looking at, so the 5 minutes looking at a 211 target, and then the 30 minute, the 15 minute at that 211, the 10 minute at 211, the 30 minute at 219, which that just actually changed. It was 211 a little bit ago. Uh, so somewhere between this 210 to 211 mark is the target range, and it had a on the 1 minute because this is the current downtrend we're in playing out. So it's got that target coming down of 164. So between we'll call it 163 for the sake of argument. We'll put it right in the middle of that. So if we go back out to the 30-minute and we play that 163 concept, for our low, and the targets were between 219 and 211. So we'll call it 215 for the sake of argument for fun. That way we got a healthy, happy medium. That leaves 32% in that window. So from where we're going here to halfway up there, we're looking at a 32% play. This is the way Elliott Wave works. It works up and down in all time frames. So this downtrend that you are looking at here, from this 3 to 4 looking for a bottom, you actually see that play out in these smaller time frames. So this is that very same downtrend. You had this 1, 2, 3, 4, and ultimately you'll have this wave 5 low. And after it finds that wave 5 low, we'll expect that it'll, turn around and go back up. So that is the quick hit for the day. That is how Elliott Wave works. I'm not going to get into the Fibonacci aspect of it. If that's something you're interested in, there's several videos on the channel about it. And I would be happy to invite you into the Discord, and we can there's more training in the Discord that's just for the subscribers. But I really feel like either the coffee and stocks video and or my Discord are extremely value priced for what I offer, and the some of the hits we have. I trade live in there while I'm trading live. I don't promise I'm going to do it every day, because the whole point of being a day trader is to have some flexibility and the ability to come and go as you please. Plus, I run another business in the gun guy. But anyway, you can come into the Discord, and while I'm trading live, you can see it. I run a live video. It looks just like this. Plus, I have training video. I put some options picks in there that I play. There's more content in there than what you'll ever see on YouTube, because there's a lot of private stuff. I still do it, and it looks kind of a lot like this, but it just goes into the Discord for just my people. Like, they'll ask me about a specific stock, and I will do a video just for them. The Discord's $25 a month. I have people all the time. If you go on here on the big wins section of it, here's a guy that hit 13.4%. Here's another guy that hit 70%. We had a guy on an options trade on Apple make 300%. That trade's playing out right now. Here's another one at 39%. Here's one at 12%, 10%, 21%, 13.4%. These aren't my wins. These are people that subscribe to the channel. I don't put my wins in there. It's not a competition to me, and I don't actually have people post their wins for any other reason than it gives them it lets everybody else see that the strategy works, and that Elliott Wave and Fibonacci work very well together, and they're extremely, extremely accurate. So that being said, like I said, the Discord's right now as we speak, as I'm making this video, I charge $25 a month for it. Start cheap. And then the actual coffee and stock videos, which are an hour of about 20-ish stocks every day, sent straight to your email, that's $10 a month. Again, I don't believe that anything can get any more inexpensive than that for the value of it. There's been plenty of plays in coffee and stocks that have made, I think the best one I've ever had ran 92%. Most of them that I look for have that 30, 40, 50% mark in there. So, I mean, 1 month of coffee and stocks, if you can't hit the $10 a month it costs you for coffee and stocks. You're just not trying. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I hope you make $1 million today. Good luck.